Hello, my name is Martin. I'm the Data Protector Product Marketing Manager at OpenText, and I'd like to provide some compelling reasons for you to consider upgrading your Data Protector environment. The first question, of course, is why upgrade? Why should we consider upgrading if the product is working fine as it is? In high tech, not upgrading is typically not a good approach. Your solutions are upgraded, your infrastructure is upgraded, including virtualization and containers. Cloud providers upgrade their infrastructure, and you need to keep pace with that. One thing is clear though, upgrades continue to improve functionality and capabilities while adding value to your investment, and the most important thought is cybersecurity. With ever-increasing threats from cyber attacks and ransomware, you need to ensure the latest security patches and tools are in place, and that can only be assured if you're on the latest version of a product. Being on the latest version of a product reduces the attack surface and keeps your environments more secure. In the end, your backup infrastructure might not change much over the years, but the rest of your IT will. Maybe a move into cloud or just the introduction of new operating systems and applications. I think we could all agree that nobody really likes to do upgrades, and if we aren't forced to upgrade, why should we? Well, let's ask some questions to understand the possible benefits of going ahead and performing an upgrade. Take a little time to review the new capabilities may allow you that there is a whole lot more that Data Protector can potentially do for you. We know data is constantly growing while backup windows are not capable to complete backups in the time available. Additional ways must be sought to increase backup performance using newer capabilities such as block-based backup and deduplication to reduce the amount of data being backed up, and enabling multi-stream backups can help boost your performance. This may be obvious, but do you really know how much data is being backed up, where it's all going, and if it's completing on schedule as required? Having the right details reporting capability available can provide not only the assurance that anything is operating as required, but provides insights into ways to make improvements to the systems. All software is constantly evolving, and your backup needs to ensure it supports the latest versions and functionality in your mission-critical applications. So not just the data, but the system state can also be restored for fast recovery. Most companies are employing a hybrid approach with some public cloud storage, some private cloud, and some more traditional storage, perhaps for performance or security or other reasons. But as new technologies are introduced, you want to be able to move your backups from one technology to the other and not only support the latest cloud storage, but maintain backups on older disks or tape systems as required. And with the above changes, it's not unusual to end up with several different backup solutions providing support for different needs. How much could be saved in license cost, training, maintenance if some of the different backup solutions could be consolidated into one single tool? Ransomware has been all over the headlines for some time now, and the situation shows no sign of getting any better. While the front-end security attempts to stop it from getting to your data, there's a good chance it will. And having robust backup will save you from expensive disaster. Of course, your company would like to save money. Many, if not all, items I've touched on are likely to be able to contribute to cost savings in some way, with some having a higher impact than others, so there's a lot to be considered. Here is a list of Data Protector and Data Protector for Cloud Workloads features and benefits that have been introduced during the past few years. What this does show you is just how much you can gain by upgrading to the latest version, even if you are on a version of Data Protector 10.x or 9.x. All versions older than Data Protector 11 are out of support now. By upgrading, you will be on a supported version again, and you will benefit from many features that have been introduced lately, like multi-factor authentication, artificial intelligence-based anomaly detection, and integration with many other OpenText solutions like Documentum and NetIQ for multi-factor authentication. Data Protector consists of many different features that have been licensed separately in the past. You ended up having many Data Protector feature pack licenses, making maintenance calculation hard, for example. And you cannot try new features if they are in a different license pack. We have totally revolutionized licensing and are now offering all Data Protector features in one single license pack. The pricing depends on the required backup storage size. You can install and use all features on multiple systems without adding additional licensing cost. contact your OpenText sales representative if you want to change to the new all-inclusive premium licensing. Let's have a look in more depth at the upgrade path depending on what release you may be currently running. If you are on a Data Protector version still under committed support, you can directly upgrade to the latest version of Data Protector. That is the easiest way for you. If you are on Data Protector 10, not in committed support, you have two options. You can do an interim upgrade to Data Protector 11.01, since we are going to provide supported guidelines for this step, and then upgrade to the latest Data Protector version. Or you perform a migration. A migration means you install a new version of Data Protector on a separate system and migrate information from the previous to the new system. If you are on Data Protector version 9 or older, a migration is mandatory, bringing your systems to the most current version. This usually goes in line with platform operating systems upgrades, since you need to support increased capabilities and support statements. Information on the practitioner portal explains step-by-step procedures on how to handle and prepare for the migration. If you are using one of these old versions, we do admire your loyalty, but please consider upgrading Data Protector. Data Protector is extremely flexible and capable and often is installed in very complex environments. With this in mind, there are several support and service resources available that can help you. There are lots of support resources available to help you understand the latest capabilities in Data Protector, and that can aid in planning your upgrade to ensure it goes as smoothly as possible and it will cause minimal disruption to your business. We recommend starting by reviewing the product documentation, which includes information on upgrades and migrations. There are lots of other useful resources and material and links, and we encourage you to explore these to understand what else may be available for you. Reading documentation and watching videos can only get you so far, and there are times where getting some more personal involvement to get you through the process would be a good option. We have a full range of upgrade support services available, which can be engaged at different levels. We have a team of professional services consultants and pre-sales engineers who will work with you not only just for upgrades, but also to develop secure business solutions and meet your business goals. The more regular support services offers additional flexibility with services such as the premium support offering, which enhances the OpenText business support. Or perhaps you are looking for short-term support in OpenText, flexible credits, and give you some access to those resources. And of course, we work very closely with our partners. Our marketplace will help with contact routes through a partner that can work with you. But of course, if you're already working with a partner, you can reach out to them and they will help you through the upgrade process. Now you know the benefits and what is available to help you and where to begin. Any upgrade should start with a plan, and to create the plan, you need to understand what is involved and what is available to you. The lookbook that probably sent you to this video contains all the resources you need to get started. Use the links in that and get to the various sites and resources I've already outlined. Once you have your plan and upgrade route, you want to start using the assets available and reach out to the support and services resources to help you through the process. Whatever route you take to upgrade, Data Protector will not only ensure you maintain reliable backup services, but also ensure you have business continuity throughout changing technologies. It will also enhance your experience and capabilities by bringing a wider and more capable set of functionalities to your backup and recovery solution. Thank you very much for viewing this video. We look forward to continuing to work with you and your data protection needs.